Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create page-specific menu. So if you want to know how to song, this video is for you. So in here, we just need to install a plugin on our WordPress plugin marketplace. So click on the search bar right here and search in here for conditional menus. So let's search in here for that. And then from in there, we should be able to see the app that we're looking for. So in here, you can see those. Here is our new search. I actually added TBFi right here, which is the developer. So let's head over and then click on this conditional menus by Themify. So let's click on this right here. And then from in there, click on this install and activate. Once you have clicked on that, it will install and activate this particular plugin into your WordPress dashboard. So it's been installed. So let's click on this manage plugin right here in order to see what it looks like. So here is what it looks like. I actually have in here a page that I have opened, which is a blog post, and I want to create a menu for this page. So let's head over right here to conditional menus, and you can head over and then save the changes right here. You can see the end location and also the menus that they have. So what we can do in this case is we can head over and then create in here a menu. You can head over right here to conditional menus in order to see what it looks like as well. Now, you just need to add a conditional menu to your menus in here. So let's head over right here to our appearance. And then from in there, click on menus. And then from in there, you can actually create or edit out some menus. So in this case, let's head over and create a new menu. And on this new menu that I will create, I will name it blog. And then I'll head over and click on this create menu right here. And then once it's been created, we should be able to add some pages, icons, and anything that we want. So for example, let's add in here some pages. So let's look for the pages of blog posts, and also you can also add some posts. So I'll add in here some posts that I want to add in my blog post. Add the menu. And then as you can see, they have been added. Once it's been created, we need to head over right here to manage locations. Now, this is what it looks like right now. So you can head over and add in here a conditional menu. So I'll head over and add this on my horizontal menu. So I'll click on this conditional menu right here and let me display my blog menu. So you can also put in here some conditions that you want as well. So in here, you can choose the pages that you want to put it into. So for example, I'll head over to my pages that I have right here and I'll click on this blog post and then click on save. And then once I have done that, click on the save changes right here. Now, once it's been saved, we need to head over right here to my actual blog post that I have created. So let me just refresh it. And then as you can see, the menu on my blog post has been changed into the title of the post that I have right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.